And so I just went to the shops and all that. I actually just forgot. I've got to be somewhere. Just wait. Okay, look in the back. Okay, that's all good. Yeah. Okay now. Bye. See ya. I'm gonna go to the cafeteria.